Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making a crock pot meal. I am doing a Santa Fe chicken. I think this one's going to be a pretty tasty dinner. I'm also going to make this where it is gluten-free, allergy type free, because my daughter's going to be eating this, but this is going to be a tasty meal for all of us. Now, I am going to be using this Rotel that is tomato and green chili. It is not spicy. Don't want spicy. She has a sensitive stomach, and Jesse's not a big fan of spicy. Anyway, he also doesn't like chunks. So I am going to put that in my processor here and smooth this out. Now, if you want spicy, you could use spicy. You could use separate cans of diced tomato and with a separate can of green chili. However you would like to do that. You could probably even add like some jalapenos or something like that in there. I am using about 1.5 pounds of chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now, normally I would use chicken breast for pretty much anything I cook, but since I found this on sale, I figured, why not? Over the top of the chicken, I'm just going to scatter in 1 can of sweet corn and 2 cans of black beans. And I did drain those off. And then I'm going to pour in my smoothed out Rotel. And like I said, you can leave that chunky. I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a little less than a teaspoon of cumin, and about 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne, because I don't want it to be too spicy. And I am using Herbox brand bouillon cubes that I have dissolved in boiling water. I am doing about 1 2/3 cup. I'm going to go ahead and kind of stir that all around. I will be adding rice to this towards the end of its cook time. I'll be cooking the rice separately and then just adding and stirring it into the mixture. I'm also going to shred that chicken once it becomes tender enough. I'm going to start by cooking this on high for probably an hour or so, and then I'll reduce it to low, and it's total going to cook probably 4 to 5 hours. As the cooking time gets close to completion, go ahead and prepare your rice according to the package instructions. Remove the chicken from the crock pot and shred it in a bowl. I find that this is a little easier because this is a bit of a juicy recipe. This keeps from making a mess. Just get that all nice and shredded up. Then return the shredded chicken to the crock pot. And then just mix that around a little bit, get it nice and incorporated. Next, I will take my cooked rice and add that to my crock pot mixture. And I'll go ahead and stir that around as well. Then you can serve this up, add toppings such as sour cream, jalapenos, whatever you wish. This was a delicious dish, and I think I would definitely make this again. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!